Ghasts are flying hostile mobs found in the Nether. They resemble large, white squids with a sad, almost depressed facial expression and emit baby-like crying sounds. Ghasts attack by shooting exploding fireballs at the player. Their attacks are now powerful enough to kill in just a few hits, and they have a massive detection range, capable of spotting players from up to 100 blocks away. When attacking Ghasts, it's best to aim for their tentacles rather than their body, as arrows shot at the face will often pass through without dealing damage. Fireballs can be dodged or deflected by hitting them back toward the Ghast, which can deal damage or even kill it if timed correctly, though using a bow remains the safest method. Because Ghasts fly, collecting their drops, such as gunpowder and gas tears, often requires building bridges. Using cobblestone for these structures is recommended, as Ghast explosions cannot destroy it, making your approach safer.